Hi, my name is Doug Carlson. I'm glad you stopped by. I'm going to share something with you and show you how you can make $100 a day online with your own home-based business. As you can see here, I love to fish, love to be outdoors. Being able to work from anywhere allows me to just travel around, visit different lakes, different streams, and enjoy what I really do. Over the next several days, I'm going to share with you a four-part series to show you exactly how you could do this. I like to refer this to what I call Marketing 101, marketing the right way. So when you're marketing online, what is it that you really need to have? Well, you need a source of traffic. We can use Bing, we can use Yahoo, we can use YouTube, we can use social media. A lot of different places we can advertise and get traffic. Some of it's free, some of it we pay for. And the system I'm going to share with you that you can get for free is going to show you exactly how to do that. After we get traffic, we need to send it to a sales funnel where we have a capture page, a bridge page or thank you page. And I like to refer to this as value marketing. We're going to give away something that's valuable, that has some value to it, and give it to them for free to build a relationship. First thing we want to do is build a relationship with somebody. We want to get them to know us. We want to get to know them. We want to see if they want to work with us, and especially we want to see if we want to work with them. So we need to take the time to, basically it's kind of like courting a female. You want to, take time to show her what you're about. Well, we're going to take time to show people what we're about so we can build a relationship and we can share something with them that they can use and that will help them. After we do all this, then what you need to have is you need to have an offer to create sales. Basically, that's as easy as it is to market online. It's not rocket science. We just need to have traffic, send it to a sales funnel, build a relationship with those individuals, and then we're going to offer them a product or a service that is going to benefit them and something that they need to have in order to achieve their dreams and their goals in their online business. So I hope you go ahead and hit the subscribe button below and take advantage of this free four-part series I'm going to give you. I'm going to show you exactly where you can get this system for free. You can offer it to others for free, and you can start building your online business right away. And I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that and how you can create $100 a day for yourself and your family, and to take care of some of those bills that have been haunting you, or to just do something that you've always dreamt you'd wanted to do. So let's do this together and make it happen. I'm hoping that you have massive success, and I hope you go ahead and subscribe so you can get involved in this series and that you can take advantage of it. I'd hate for you to miss out on it. This is an opportunity of a lifetime. Thanks. You have just a great day now.